Hey guys, Dolly and Loki just got a delivery and boy are they excited to open this one. Today we're checking out a APetsPlanet premium backseat extender for your pup. The backseat extender comes securely packaged inside of a carrying case and sealed in plastic. The carrying case is well made. Inside you can quickly see the quality of the backseat extender. APetsPlanet highlights this by offering a full lifetime warranty on all of their products. The extender itself uses all metal clips and connectors, unlike most of the competitors in the market. The seams are also reinforced and well stitched. The bottom of the extender features a non-slip grip padding. Oh, and check this out. They included a special prize. The mesh section is heavy and feels very well made, while also offering airflow from the rear console vents. And even came with a dog seatbelt. Okay, looks like Dolly is ready to go test this out. So it's out to the Jeep to remove the old extender. The plastic clips on this one wore out so quickly and even broke in a couple of locations. Can you believe I paid $100 for this thing about a year ago? Okay, let's get it out of the Jeep and replace it with this APetsPlanet extender. With the old unit removed, we can lay out a APetsPlanet backseat extender in place. Fold the back panel against the seats and secure the straps around the headrest. Then repeat this step for the front panel. Once all four are connected, you can adjust the length of the straps. Next, we need to disconnect these clamps so we can run the straps around the sports bar. On my Jeep, I run the straps around either side of the sports bar in between the top. For a normal SUV, you can just use your grab handles. Now just zip up the sides and attach the straps. Then we repeat it on the other side. And since this extender features two convenient pockets, I can even pack away the pup's Jeep water bowl. Speaking of those pockets, there are two deep pockets on either side of the Jeep, perfect for storage. And I just can't get over these metal clips. You can really see the quality in all of the materials used, and this leather-like surface will be super easy to clean. Okay, so it's time for Dolly and Loki to test it out. Let's run out to the Jeep, unhook the straps, and unzip the side panel. Then it's just a couple of quick lifts, and the pups are ready to test it out. And they sure seem happy to try out this new backseat extender. So let's get them all tucked in and test it out on the road. With plenty of room to spread out, Loki and Dolly both seem pretty pleased. And it's way nicer than our old one. What are you waiting for? Grab your APetsPlanet backseat extender in the link below and put a smile on your pup's face for every adventure. And as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.